Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make website on Square for small business. So the first thing that we should do here is you just have to open any of our web browser, and then you just have to search for Square Online. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on this website right here. That's right. And then here you have the option to get started. You can also contact sales, and then you can also log in if you already have an account. Okay, so since we already have an account, I'm just going to click on get started option. That's right. And then right here, you just have to go to your dashboard. Okay, so the sign up process is just easy. So you just have to follow the steps. Okay, and then once you're done, you would be directed here now on your store. Okay, so this is your homepage. Okay, so here we have to set up to take payments, get approved to accept payments, shop for hardware, and take payment. We also have here our items and services that we are offering, the payments and invoices section, the online, the customers, the reports, the staff, the banking, and your settings. Now let's go ahead and click on the online option and then click on the online store. Okay, so just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here you have the restaurants, retail, and more. So for example, you can bring the power of Square to your online business. So click on the start your site. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here another tab will open, and then here you can select a theme that is connected to your business. Okay, so right here, just simply click on the select theme option. That's right, and then just a second. So we have your retail, restaurant, membership, class, events, informational, and we also have here the all themes section. Okay, so for example, you are using this website to build your clothing store. So here we can just find a relevant, yeah, here we can find a relevant template for our business. So we can preview this template first before we select it, so we can check the different elements that it has. So here, since our business or our website is a clothing brand, so we are going to use this template. Now for the remix with site styles, we can select our palette right here. Okay, so after that, just click on the select theme option. That's right, and then just a second while they are building your online store here on Square Online. Okay, so here is the name of our store, the clothing coin. And then at the top, we have these elements. So from here, we can now start customizing the elements that we can find here. So let's start with the background images. Okay, so right here, as you can see for the content, we have this section right here. Now, if you want to change this, you just have to click on add a new slide. Okay, so here for the slide, we have this one right here. That's right, and then for the background media, we can upload image or video. So you just have to click on it, and then after that, you can now click on the add video option, and then you have here the max video file storage. So we have 10 gigabytes. So the current storage is we don't have yet, so just have to drag the files here or click this one to upload your video. Okay, so I'm just going to close this section and then go back here. So I'm just going to remove this one. Okay, so if you don't want this slide to appear here and you just want your own, so you just have to click on this remove option. Okay, so after that, right here at the top, as you can see, we have this button. So for the button section, we can add here our link. Okay, so for the link section, you just have to click on it, and then you have to link it to your page. So here we have shop all sections. So we're just going to leave this one and click on save. And then for the style, we have custom primary, custom secondary, field, and outline. So I'm just going to select the custom secondary. And then for the color, we have this colors right here. So I think I'm just going to select the neutral. Okay, after that, you just have to click on done. Okay, now for your pages, you just have to click on this page right here, and then you have here your shop all section. And then of course, when you go to your shop all section, so here you have your item list. So for your item list, you have to create your items. Okay, so click on the create your first item. That's right. So we have here the item section. So for the layout, we have this kind of layout. We also have this one, and this one. Okay, so for this one, I'm just going to select this layout. So here you just have to click on it. That's right. Then for the item section, you have to go here and then create your first item here on your store. Okay, so make sure to click on it, and then you just have to add here your items manually. So we have to add our items. So when you click on the add item section, you would be redirected to your Square dashboard. So here on your Square dashboard, this is the section where you can add your items and your services that you're offering on your store. So for example, shorts. Okay, so you just have to click on save. That's right. And then for the details, you just have to click on it once again. That's right. And then here for the item type, we have to select the physical good and then the name. Then you have to add here the description of your item. Okay, so you just have to click on continue. Then for the length and the tone. Okay, after that, you just have to go here and then the unit. Okay, and then the stock. You also have here the variations for your item. Okay, and the other details are here at the bottom, so you just have to click on it. And then of course for the image, you can upload your own image right here. Okay, so for example, this one, you just have to click on save after that. Okay, so I'm just going to add the missing fields right here, especially the price per item, and then click on save after that. Okay, and now we can go back to our shop. And once you're done adding your very first items and all of your items for this website, you can now publish this on Square Online. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.